Showing right here on the screen is a new Telegram channel that I created for free updates for you to cash out in 2026. As you can see right here, I created this channel recently and I've taken out my time to draft out bonuses and offers, including opportunities for all of us to make money together online in 2026. All right. And as you can see, this is actually the first post on this particular channel, and I am going to be dropping a video for you guys. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a $5 no deposit bonus that you can get instantly, start trading with it, and also make withdrawals from it. All right. Now I want you to know that the bonus I will be dropping on this particular platform are legit and real bonuses, and I will not be taking much of your time in the videos I'll be posting right here in this particular Telegram channel. All right, and this YouTube channel I'm using right now, as you can see, it's a long-term YouTube channel. I've been using it before, but I just went on a short break so that I can be back to post more content for you guys. All right, so if you are new to this YouTube channel that you are seeing this video on, kindly hit that subscription button so that you can keep getting updates from me, more legit updates on how you can get forex no deposit bonuses and offers and opportunities that can give you money online in 2026. All right, so without any further ado, let me just dive right into how you can get this wonderful $5 no deposit bonus to your advantage. So the first thing you want to do is to come to this Telegram channel right here. I'll be dropping a message on this Telegram channel by tomorrow when the video goes public. The message is going to contain a link that you are going to use to get the bonus. All right, once you click on the link, it is going to direct you to where you have to register. Now I want you to take note. Ensure you use my referral link. Ensure you use the link that will be provided on this Telegram channel so that you can be able to get this particular bonus. Now, one thing I want you to understand is that there are a lot of withdrawal proofs from this particular bonus, and that is why I'm making this video, so that you guys will not miss out from this opportunity. All right, there are a lot of withdrawal proofs. All right, so after clicking on the link, the first thing you want to do is to register an account with them. All right, and as you can see right here, just input the required details and then you proceed to registering an account with them. All right, so right here, after inputting everything, it is going to direct you to their dashboard. As you can see right here, this is their dashboard right here. All right, now to get this particular bonus is very simple and straightforward. First thing you have to do is to verify your account. All right, the first thing you have to do is to verify your account, and to do that is very simple. Just click on this menu button right here, just click on it, and this is going to come out. After coming out, then you click on this my Templar FX right here, you click on profile, and after clicking on profile, as you can see right here, this is your profile, the details about your profile. But to verify your account, just click on verification right here. All right, click on verification and you wait patiently for it to load. As you can see, our email has been verified successfully, and before you can be able to verify your phone number, you have to verify your identity first. All right, so to verify your identity, you just have to click on it and you upload the details required. So this right here is the email I got from them after my verification was approved. And also don't forget that you'll be required to verify your phone number. All right, and to verify your phone number is very simple. Just request for the code on that verification platform, on that verification page. As you can see, I just verified my phone number right now. My email has been verified, phone number has been verified, and my identity has been verified. And right now I can be able to get this particular bonus. Click on the menu button and then you click on the bonus. All right, you click on the bonus showing at the last place of the menu button. Click on the bonus and you wait patiently for it to load. All right, so as you can see right here, this is the $5 forex no deposit bonus, and the synthetic is also there. Just click on request $5 right here and you select the platform you want to get it for. All right, and you click on OK. And as you can see right here, we've emailed credentials and instructions to the email you used to register. Right, so you just have to head over to your email and get your credentials right there. All right, as you can see right here, this is all I need to be able to log into my MT5 and start trading with this particular bonus. Right, it's very simple and straightforward. Now, withdrawal rules: all funds, including the bonus itself and any profits earned, become withdrawable once you complete
a total trading volume of 2 standard lots. Now, as you can see right here, after reaching this requirement, you can withdraw multiple times with no limits. The account remains active and can continue to be used for regular trading. You just have to trade 2 standard lots, as you can see right here, 2 standard lots, and after trading it, as you can see, you can withdraw multiple times. All right,
so this is the end of this video, and I hope you're able to get your own bonus. If not, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, join my Telegram channel, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.